Good morning, magandang maga.
Okay, in the Philippines, it's already evening there. So what are going to say is good evening. Go.
Good morning. Good morning.
It's evening there. So it's 9:32 evening.
So they go to bed earlier than
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to introduce you my student. First one.
My name is Terrence Nafis Thomas Jr., and I am in fourth grade.
Okay, Terence.
Hi, Terence.
Okay. He's Elia. Elia.
Hi, Miss Aliens.
Okay, hello.
Hello. Kumusta?
Kamusta?
Hello. Kumusta?
We're good.
I'm Lauren. Good afternoon. My name is Sai.
Hi, guys. Good morning.
Hello, my name is Amaya. Magandang gabi. Yeah.
Good morning, Amaya.
Hi, my name is Royalty. Magandang
Hi, Royalty.
Hey.
Hi, Area. Hi. We're good. We're good. We're good. Hello.
Quintel. Pogi.
Terence.
I'm Pogi.
I'm Pogi.
You're handsome.
You
Yes.
Pogi too.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Amari.
Hi, Samari.
Kumusta?
We're good. We're fine.
You're my friends.
Hi, friends. You are my friend.
Kaibigan.
Kaibigan.
You are my kaibigan.
Kumusta?
Kumusta kaibigan?
Kumusta
We're fine.
kaibigan?
Magkaibigan tayo. We are friends. We're friends.
You're my friend. You're all pogi and maganda.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please say.
It's Grayson.
Hi, Grayson.
Kumusta?
We're fine.
Kumusta tayo?
We're
Okay.
okay.
You want to ask something? You ask question from
What do you call a lion?
huh?
What do you call a lion?
Lion. A lion. What is lion in Tagalog?
Leon.
Leon?
Yeah, lion. Leon.
Cool. How do you say rice in Philippines?
Again?
Rice. What is rice in the Philippines? She asked, what is
Kanin.
rice?
Kanin.
What is rice?
Rice means kanin.
What is rice in the Philippines?
Kanin.
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 Yeah.
How to say box in Philippines?
How do you say lunchbox?
Baunan. Baunan.
Baunan.
Baunan.
Buna.
Baunan.
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 How do you say? How do you say? How do you say why in Philippines?
Why? Why in the Philippines?
Bakit? Why means bakit?
Bakit?
Back.
Very good.
Okay.
How do you say school in the Philippines?
Paaralan.
Cool.
Paaralan. School means paaralan. Paaralan.
Paaralan.
Paaralan.
School is what?
Paaralan. Paaralan.
Paaralan. Or eskwelahan.
Miss Vinci, is that at school?
Good job.
You say TV in Spanish?
In the Philippines?
How you say TV?
TV. What is TV in the Philippines?
TV. Television. Television.
Television.
Television.
Yeah. Okay.
Television.
You want to ask some?
Mm-hmm. How do you say grass in the Philippines?
Hmm?
Grass in the Philippines.
Grass. Grass.
Damo. Damo.
Damo.
Grass.
Damo.
Yeah.
Grass means damo.
Damo.
Very good. Very good.
How you say balloon in Philippines?
Balloon.
Balloon
What is
means
balloon in the
lobo. Lobo.
Lobo.
Lobo.
Again?
Lobo.
Okay.
Very good. Magandang umaga, everyone. My name is Evan T. Mapano. And in Tagalog, ako si Yvonne P. My name is Althea Nicole F. I. Kulay. In Tagalog, ang pangalan ko ay si Althea Nicole F. I. Kulay. My name is Divine Grace D. Rivales. In Tagalog, ang pangalan ko ay si Divine Grace D. Rivales. My name is Aris B. Ingles. In Tagalog, ang pangalan ko ay Aris B. Ingles. And we are from the Philippines, and we are going to teach you some basic Filipino words. So, let's start. Magandang umaga means good morning.
Okay, magandang umaga means good morning. Magandang umaga. Okay. Next.
Magandang tanghali means good afternoon.
Okay, magandang tanghali. Okay, very good.
Magandang gabi means good evening.
Okay, magandang gabi means good evening. Good evening. Okay.
Friend means kaibigan.
Friend means kaibigan. Okay. Friend means kaibigan. Okay, what is kaibigan? Hey, what is kaibigan? Kaibigan means kaibigan. Means friend. Okay, yeah. Kaibigan means friend. Okay, next.
Maganda means beautiful. Pretty.
Okay. They say maganda means beautiful. What is beautiful? Huh? Maganda. Okay. Next.
Walk means lakad.
Okay. Do you hear? Walk means lakad. They say walk means lakad. They want to teach you our language, the basic language. Okay, next. Walk means lakad.
Pogi means handsome.
Okay.
Pogi means handsome.
Okay, pogi means handsome. Well, okay, what is handsome? Okay, next. Hey, Next.
Nice means mabait.
Nice means mabait. Or behave. Next.
How are you? Means kamusta ka na?
Okay, how are you means kumusta ka? Okay, say kumusta ka? Kumusta kayo? Okay. Okay, maraming salamat. Okay, say maraming salamat. Hey, excuse me. Say maraming salamat. Go. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye. Nice meeting you.
Bye. Thank you very much. Bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Maganda kayo. Nice meeting you, kaibigan. Hi, kaibigan.
Hi, friend.
Hi, kaibigan. Hmm? What?
How you say you got born in the Philippines?
You might?
I said, how you say you got born in the Philippines?
You're my kaibigan.
This means you my convenience.
You're my
You need to go back to your class. It's Monday. Are we gonna see?
Bye, kaibigan.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
kaibigan.
Bye, friend. Bye-bye, kaibigan.
Okay, say bye, kaibigan.
Bye.
Kaibigan, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.